Hello everyone. Welcome to 2018 and I thought I'll quickly share few ideas, few trends that are definitely going to help you boost your digital marketing strategy for the year 2018. The first thing that comes to my mind when I talk about digital marketing trends for the year 2018 is videos. So live videos, webinars, simulcast, and any format on using videos to share messages, share ideas, concepts, give an idea about how-to guides, supporting your customers, adding any form of value would be a great way to push your content across. The reason is very simple. With the growing advent of technology, infrastructure, with the rising internet speeds, blazing content consumption in the form of videos, downloading videos, streaming videos online has been tremendously on the rise. And in 2018, we'll obviously see much more of it than what has been, what we have observed in the year 2016 and 17. So digital marketing will definitely be empowered and get a tremendous boost if you're using video as part of your content marketing or digital strategy during this year. And make sure that whatever videos are shared are not too lengthy, and at the same time we are actually sharing important insights in a very simple and easy to understand format. Second one obviously is augmented reality. Now, yes, virtual reality as it we are will definitely be a very huge contributor in terms of integrating immersive experiences for audiences in using digital marketing or digital strategies. But augmented reality, that is AR, I personally feel will definitely have a much better impact for a simple reason that it is easily accessible as compared to VR. For virtual reality, unless and until there are corporations or organizations that come up with using or giving access to a normal or an individual user of of virtual reality apps at a cheaper cost, uh, accessing it will be difficult for an individual customer or a prospect. Whereas augmented reality, it's something which is very easily accessible. You can just download it on your mobile phone, on your iPad or any tablet, and just scan through content and get the immersive augmented reality experience where you can have live products or demonstrations and self-help guides of how to use a product or how to optimally use a particular service or a product, or what you can experience when you buy or go to a particular place. Now, the advantage of using augmented reality is, like I said, first of all, it's cheap, it's easily accessible for the end users because they can just download it for free on their mobile phones as an app and try it on maybe on a brochure or a printout or a banner or whatever it is, and it's very engaging for users to have an interactive experience with the content. It can be used across many industries, right from hotels or restaurants or any form of hospitality, travel. Then you have obviously education industry, even B2B industries, which will find using AR, that is augmented reality, a very powerful value add from a prospect's point of view and even from a customer's point of view. So it will redefine the way users are actually engaging with that content, engaging, interacting, and consume that content in real time. Then, of course, we have analytics and PPC. So when I say analytics, I'm not just talking about social media analytics or Facebook insights or Twitter analytics or Instagram insights or Google analytics. I'm talking about everything, data in any single format. So it can be as massive as big data. It can be as simple as just finding out, a Facebook page insights for a particular profile of yours, which is a professional page of a company or an organization. Now, data here will have a much wider role to play in terms of analytics when it comes to digital marketing now, because the more you hear about brands, the more you hear about users experiencing products and services from organizations today, the more you understand the importance of understanding the customer behavior, understanding the buyer persona, understanding the customer journey, digital touch points, and all of these data. Whether you are a new organization, a new startup, or an existing organization, you can get access to this information directly from your own website or social networking profiles. Or there is a lot of wonderful industry market reports which will give you an idea about what to expect. Using that data, you can custom design or have personalized customer experiences, which is going to be the biggest winner as far as 2018 for selling your product or selling your services goes. So analytics will be a very crucial part of your digital marketing experience, and of course PPC, as in pay per click. So when we create pay-per-click ads, whether it is Google AdWords or Facebook ads or Twitter ads or LinkedIn ads, or using native advertising to integrate storytelling using a blog or influencer marketing in any which way possible, the idea clearly would be about giving a personalized customer service or experience, creating personalized ads that will appeal to end users. Yeah, so it cannot be bulk messaging or a bulk message. Now you need to more focus, ensure that you're targeting specific demographics, not just based on the location or the age group, but also based on their affinity categories, interests, their buying behaviors, and online browsing patterns. So creating such custom designed ads will be a crucial factor as far as digital marketing trends for 2018 or 2018 goes. Then obviously value. Yeah, so I would in fact say that as far as the new year goes, digital marketing's greatest asset or the most powerful tool will be any organization that is able to transcend the value part for a customer, for the end user, in any which way possible. It can be by using videos, it can be using blog posts, it can be using just real-time conversations on social networking platforms. Irrespective of which industry you belong to, the moment a customer or a prospect sees value in the way you are delivering that content, it will take up, bring your loyalty factor or your brand trust factor to a great extent. It will be an amazing value add for the end users, and they'll have a long-term connect and engaging experience with your brand as far as buying or experiencing or even recommending your brand and products and services to the end users goes. So you can win them over by even creating brand ambassadors online if you're able to generate a real value. Obviously, then coming back to the usual social networking part of it, that is customer experience. So real-time support using social networking platforms, let's say Instagram or Facebook or Twitter or even blogs or stuff like that. I think customer experience will be taken to an all new level. So in 2016, it was okay if brands took 8 hours or 10 hours to respond to a customer on social networking platforms. That time frame came down to almost 3 to 4 hours when it came to 2017 or 2017. Now in 2018, my guess is people would want you to respond the moment you write to them. So they will expect you to immediately respond. The appreciation of a brand will happen the moment you are able to assure them that the person or the individual responding to their queries is not a bot, it's not an automated bot, but an actual person who cares for what their queries are and knows how to empathetically, genuinely respond to their issues or concerns or even simple queries about using a particular product or how that product or service can add tremendous value or resolve their actual problems and solve their concerns. So real-time problem need recognition, information search, evaluation of any alternatives available, and how and why your product and brand is different, or why would they should prefer your brand, purchasing decision, and even after purchase, post purchase decision behavioral patterns should also be integrated as part of the customer's real-time service support using social networking platforms as far as digital marketing strategies goes. And yes, then I would say machine learning. So machine learning and artificial intelligence, let's say IoT also for that matter, Internet of Things, and chatbots and skill development and training programs. These are some things which are extremely crucial as far as 2018 goes, because nowadays you can actually see all around you digital transformation happening. Yeah, so whether you're an organization or a huge company or a startup or even an individual trying to present yourself as a brand out there, you need to be in sync with these tools and technologies and processes, because they'll help you devise the strategy, not just because these tools are advanced, but rather because the end users or customers are comfortable using specific ideas or tools from these available platforms. So machine learning can give you a tremendous boost. AI can help you develop applications that will understand your customer better and provide better services to them in a more customized fashion. Chatbots in real time to provide actual technical support for end users. Skill development training, let's say from an organization's point of view, it's extremely crucial today that not just is your digital transformation talking about upgrading or making all devices digital, rather understanding and ensuring that the employees of your organization, the team members, the colleagues that are working in your organization, know the reason behind that upgrade and understand how to optimally use those specific tools to help their brand, to help the organization, to help the stakeholders, to help the prospects and customers get the best out of your organization's services. And finally, of course, ROI. So needless to say, in 2015, 16 and 17, ROI has expectation of ROI, that is return on investment using digital, has tremendously, massively grown. Manifold increases purely because now companies, organizations, digital marketers across the globe are realizing that using digital, you can actually have sales conversions, quality leads, inquiries generated. So ROI will be a very, very core focus as far as a CMO's role or a digital marketer's role goes. And we need to ensure that in addition to having likes and follows and impressions and views and real-time engagement, you are focusing on actual business conversion, because the more you are able to deliver for a brand, the more you're able to deliver for a customer, the better and faster your end users will grow as an organization, as an individual, as a digital marketer. So ROI will play a tremendously crucial role as far as digital marketing in 2018 goes. Yeah, so these are some quick ideas I thought I can share with you as far as digital marketing trends goes for 2018. And please, as always, feel free to share your queries with me. You can connect with me on any of the social networking platforms. I'm also accessible on ananthv.com. It's ananthv.com. And have a great day, and thank you.